So your networking application needs a little more than a simple unmanaged Ethernet switch, but the full-blown managed switch requiring a master-level IT professional just to set up would be overkill? The Stride Pro series from Automation Direct delivers robust industrial-grade Ethernet switching designed for demanding environments, offering the perfect balance between simplicity and performance. Engineered for reliability in harsh conditions, these switches feature durable IP30 rated metal enclosures, redundant 12 to 55 volts DC power inputs with reverse polarity protection, and wide operating temperatures from -40 to 75 degrees Celsius on extended range models. This ensures uninterrupted operation in factories, automation systems, and other challenging settings. What sets the Stride Pro series apart is its Unmanaged Plus design, true plug-and-play convenience combined with intelligent, user-selectable features. On Gigabit and Power over Ethernet Plus models, a simple set of dip switches enables advanced capabilities without complex software or IT expertise. Quality of service prioritizes mission-critical traffic, such as real-time control signals or video feeds. Broadcast storm protection safeguards against disruptive floods that could overwhelm the entire network. IGMP Snooping optimizes multicast traffic for smoother performance with video, streaming, or sensor data. Port-based VLANs provide basic network segmentation for improved security and organization. Port mirroring supports easy diagnostics and troubleshooting. Port alarm notifies you immediately of link failures or unauthorized physical access to the network. Fast Ethernet models include always-on broadcast storm protection and port prioritization for out-of-the-box optimization. Offers flexible configurations to match your application. Fast Ethernet models with 5 or 8 RJ45 ports. Gigabit models featuring 4 to 10 RJ45 ports plus 1 or 2 SFP slots for fiber connectivity over extended distances. Power over Ethernet Plus variants delivering up to 30 watts per port and total budgets up to 240 watts. Ideal for powering IP cameras, wireless access points, sensors, and other field devices directly over Ethernet cabling. All models support auto negotiation, auto crossover, jumbo frames up to 9.6 kilobytes, and energy-efficient Ethernet, while carrying key certifications including FCC, UL, and CE. And the Fast Ethernet models carry Class 1 Division 2 hazardous location approvals. With the Stride Pro series, you get industrial toughness, dependable connectivity, and just the right level of intelligent features, without the complexity or overhead of fully managed switches. It's the smart, straightforward choice for modern automation networks. Check out the Stride Pro Unmanaged Plus switches along with the entire Stride line and tens of thousands of other products and components for all your automation needs at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to see more videos on communications and networking. Click here to explore communications products available on our web store. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep up to date on all new products and videos from Automation Direct.